What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today in this video, as you can see by the title, we are installing amber fog lights into my buddy's 2018 Toyota Tundra Limited. Now, this installation process will be for all second-gen Tundras from the years 2014 to 2021. Now, huge shout out to LED Factory Mart for sponsoring today's video. They sent me these fog lights. Make sure to go check out LED Factory Mart. They're linked in the description box below. If you guys want to see me install other lights sent to me from LED Factory Mart, I'll link it up top somewhere alongside the description box below. Huge shout out to LED Factory Mart again for sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and get into it. So jumping straight into the video, this is everything you receive in the box. You get the lights, you get the instruction manual and brackets and hardware. Go ahead and remove the inner fender liner on the inside of the wheel well, covering up the housing for the fog lights. It just takes a couple of 10mm screws. Go ahead and unplug the plug for the fog light, and then you're going to take a Phillips head screwdriver and unscrew the screw that's holding the fog light to the housing itself. And then you should be able to just pull the fog light out of the housing entirely. The next thing you can do is grab your installation hardware, which will be bracket, washer, and then the screw, and install them onto the fog lights themselves. It's going to be 2 brackets per fog light. The next thing you want to do is grab your new fog light and go ahead and put it back into the OEM location and set it into place for now while we grab our installation hardware to put it back into place. The next thing you want to do is grab the screw that you took out of there before and put it back into the OEM location through the new brackets. And it might take a little bit to get in there. As you can see in the video, it takes a little bit for us to get it in there ourselves. But once you get it in there, just go ahead and tighten it all the way down, and we can move on to the next step. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and plug your new fog light into the OEM plug, and we can move on from there. And to wrap up this installation, the next thing you want to do is grab that plastic shield you removed from the inner fender liner here and go ahead and put your 3 bolts and or screws back in. Like I said, they're 10mm and or Phillips head. Let's go ahead and put those back into the OEM locations, and we can wrap up this video.